I'm Teresa.
Hi, I'm Shelley.
Thanks for watching our video.
We've got lots of new arrivals this week.
We do. Okay, what do we have first?
Fableism.
We're not doing any show and tell? Oh, I was just joking because we didn't have anything, but I'm actually wearing a shirt I made. This is the Finch shirt by Charlie Darwin Textiles, and I like it.
It's very nice.
Thank you.
I altered a pair of pants this weekend.
Yay!
I did not bring them, and I do not have them on.
Okay.
But
It was just by chance this happened.
I took in the waistband. Mm-hmm. It was kind of interesting.
You were a little nervous about that.
I was, because when you have to cut it, and it had some weird seam in the back that wasn't quite like a flat fold, but kind of, but only one stitch. And then when I went to take apart the waistband, I'm like, oh, it's like 3 pieces. It was more.
More involved than you were expecting?
Yes. But I did it, and I got them back together.
Good job.
I wish I would have taken in the waistband a little bit more, but
Wiggle room.
they work.
Yeah, good.
They work, so.
And they didn't before, so win.
Yeah.
There's a win. Yay.
So next time it'll be the jeans.
Cool. Okay.
Carrie has a make.
Oh, that's true.
This is the Nora dress by Me Oh My Patterns.
And we are out of this fabric, but she bought the last of it. But we do have this lame in stock. It's very pretty.
Yes. I guess it was a little interesting sewing. So if you're cutting lame, the decision I think has been made is run a stitch a little bit further in than you're cutting, so it doesn't come apart as much. But didn't that turn out cute?
It's so cute.
Oh, I should show you the back too.
Adorable. Nice job, Carrie.
Yes. Okay, new arrivals.
All right, we have Autumn Acres by Kimberbell. This is the fabric kit, and then we have the designs coming and all the other stuff that goes with it. This is a bench pillow. You could, oh yes, turn it around.
There's a picture.
Yep, it's a bench pillow. I know people have made it just to hang on the wall. You can make a table runner out of it, whatever you're looking for, but look at this cute autumn-themed little village.
And we have a new kit. This is really cute. It's flannel. It's called the North Pole. I forgot that already. North Pole panel kit.
And it's so soft and fuzzy.
It's flannel.
It's really
for
cute.
sale. It's where you get some charm packs to do it. And all the fabric, except for the backing.
Awesome.
All right.
New Fableism.
You guys have been waiting.
This just arrived. Like today or yesterday?
Luminaire. This is, in case you're not familiar with Fableism, they are fabulous wovens. And this goes along with their plaid and their checks theme. So pretty. Some darker colors.
Yeah, hey, if you're into the Broncos,
There
this
you
would
go.
be perfect.
I don't know which
Ooh,
team goes with this.
Dark and moody.
The dark and moody team.
Yep, the dark and moody team. This would be great, like Thanksgiving kind of colors, or just, dark and moody.
Yeah. Some purple. Some oranges. Got to start thinking about the fall already in the fabric world.
Yes. In fact, also holidays. Halloween and Christmas stuff is coming in. These colors are so pretty.
One last one of these. I love their checks and plaids and
They are nice.
stripes. And I believe Carrie pulled some patterns that thought might do well with
Yes,
these.
so she pulled these to go with the Fableism fabrics. There's the Cali, different lengths.
The Maeve skirt.
Again, lots of options on lengths.
The Azure top or and skirt or dress. Those will look really nice. You got some Fableism behind you too.
I do.
Yes.
Oh, that's right.
This is their block print Fableism.
And we have some pre-cuts, some fat quarters. These are like little Indian block print type fabrics. And then we have the 5-inch charms as well.
And I've heard something about a quilt made out of those. Is that what I'm hearing?
I think, well, Carrie said that someone was asking about a cheater print, but it turns out it was actually a pieced quilt made out of the 5-inch charms. So I guess there's a cute, just simple quilt out there that people are liking, and you could make it with the 5-inch charms.
Yeah. Here's some more of these. And these aren't a woven. They're a quilting cotton.
They
as
are
heavy.
a printed. They're an Indian block prints is what it's called.
Yeah.
This is a lattice floral.
This one is flowering.
Weekend floral.
Dotty floral.
Trumpet vines.
You
And
showed,
more.
you showed this one.
Okay.
I want to show these.
This is one called Cozy Floral.
This Halloween fabric is called Pick Your Poison. And I am going to have to make some napkins out of this because I think it's hilarious and it's so appropriate. Check out these drinks.
Those are cute.
Just in love with them.
And this is the spooky bench pillow panel. Mm-hmm. So it looks like it's a 2-part panel. You've got a front and a back of your pillow.
Isn't that
Let's see,
cute?
is this helpful if I unroll it a little more?
Unroll it a little more. There's a kitty, a jar of eyeballs, a jar of bones, vampire blood. You know, all the things we need for Halloween.
Yes. And this is, did I already say? It's called, oh yeah, Spooky Bench Pillow Panel in multi. I was looking for a collection name, but I cannot come up with it at this moment.
Okay. We also have some new linen blends by White Owl Textiles. We have a gray, a bunch of grays actually. And these are 5.6 ounce linen blends.
This is the color Seedling.
And they're 55% linen, 45% cotton.
And they're yarn dyed, it looks like. Very pretty.
And can go in the washer and dryer, it says.
Yay.
So we got a few other patterns that would go great with it. The Tilly and the Buttons Winnie. These are some pants. Pull that tag off. And some options in the back.
Everywhere.
They're everywhere. Pockets, no pockets on the front, pockets on the back, no pockets. Yes. And then the Pietra pants and shorts. Those would be really cute. And that there's a wide leg and a skinnier leg also in
And
those.
shorts.
And shorts. We have brought in Laura Star irons.
Yay.
Do you want to talk to them about it?
They're amazing. They're amazing.
They are.
We'll talk more about them soon. But it's a whole system where you've got a fan in the ironing board that sucks the fabric down and keeps it nice and flat, or blows it up. Like if you're like if you're working on a delicate silk and you just want to gently touch it with the iron, when you have that fan blowing up, you can just like gently press it, and it's just so cool. They're really neat. They are worth the higher price tag.
Yes. And they come in red. We have a gold one. We can order in other colors.
Yep, and there are different levels of the irons too.
And the personal feature I like, well, there's many, but there's this little arm that goes up and your iron cord goes in it. And so if you drop your iron, it just bounces.
It can't hit the floor.
Not that I've ever dropped it
Not
on.
that we've ever dropped irons.
Never. All right, we got some fun classes coming.
Okay. This is William Whale.
William the Whale.
And is that coming up later this month?
It is, wait, the note's in my pocket.
And we decided it's a baleen whale. They have 2 blowholes.
June 25th.
June 25th.
Yes.
So come make a whale with Patton.
So much fun. We have the Firefly tote coming up. Let me pull that off, this is the small one, which is a cute little tote bag, but it has a drawstring, so great for
pockets
travel.
Pockets inside, pockets outside.
Yes, and this one's coming up on June 16th.
And this is the 2 little totes.
And that is coming up, I feel like in July.
So I think Diane has 2 patterns. There are the 2 little totes and then the 2 big totes. And this is the medium size from the 2 little totes pattern. There's no S on the end, so I might be saying it wrong, but it makes sense to me that there would be. So who knows? Who knows? But this is such a cute bag. I just love the shape of it. And it's super useful, and there are pockets.
I think this
And
is
it's
one
just
of the
cute.
intermediate bag making class. But take that bag making 101 and then you're ready. You're ready.
And I've seen these in the other sizes too, and they're always so cute.
They are. All right. Anything else today?
I think that was everything that we pulled for you guys today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.
All right. Bye.
Bye.